How to enable or disable JavaScript on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. You can view and manage settings for all your installed applications from here. Now, scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced at the very bottom. The Advanced section contains settings for developers and for managing website data. On this page, you will see a toggle switch next to JavaScript. If the switch is off, tap on the switch to turn it on. This allows websites to run scripts for a more interactive browsing experience. Following these steps, you can easily enable or disable JavaScript on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.